Is that a bird? What is that? Oh, an animal. Look at the, see the ripples?
Yes, I saw it.
There's something there. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is the day after the first big snowstorm. As you can see, everything is all white. Welcome to winter.
Yay! Someone is funny. Homemade garage, huh? Oh, every house has it. Christmas tree.
I've never seen that in Toronto, that kind of thing. That's the company that does the snow clearance.
I guess.
Yeah.
So every household has to pay for the snow clearance.
Yeah, it seems
every
that way.
year, huh?
Yeah, I think so.
So this? Oh, this is a long way. Is that a new house or building? Yeah.
Yeah, that's a new one.
From here?
Yeah.
You make your own road, maybe there, right there. Is that okay? Yeah. Honey, you don't need to that much. I know, but I can do it. Okay. Is this rocks?
Ice frozen.
Oh, okay. Big chunk of that looks rocks.
Oh yeah, that's rock
Someone
underneath.
is
But on top.
no, someone is actually put the rock. Let's go there.
Oh, we can come fishing too.
Huh?
We can come fishing sometime. Nobody around.
Right now, nobody around.
Should have been fishing today.
Yep.
You don't have to cast, just use your throw it on the bottom. Don't even use bobber.
Watch out.
Look at this. They
Yeah.
put a fence here.
They removed the gap.
Yeah, but that's new. Putting a fence.
You cold?
No, it's good.
-5 is not bad. Okay. Oh, we still can go from here, right?
Yeah.
Wow, this is pure ice. Look at that. We can walk in the middle. Better just snow, right?
Quite different in the wintertime with all the snow.
Yeah.
Some are so
Cannot-
green.
You cannot recognize that much.
And everything's so bright too, you know. Even here in the summertime, this is all shaded with the trees. Now look at it, so bright.
How can you fishing? There's nowhere to stand, isn't it?
Yeah, see, we can fish over here.
Yeah, dream on.
There's still fish.
Okay. I believe you.
You just can't use a bobber. You just throw the bait and let it sit in the
But
bottom.
you have nowhere to stand. That's the problem. It's too slippery with the snow and the ice, and your hands will be like without gloves.
No, just keep the gloves on.
It's a bit hard. Where's the animals hiding? Huh? It's way too cold for them to survive.
Oh wow, somebody drove vehicles here, eh?
Look at how dirty it is.
You're
Yeah.
not supposed to drive here. Look
No,
at
they're not.
they wrecked the grass.
Yeah.
Wow, somebody drove all the way out here, eh?
Yep.
Wonder why.
Okay, where's the road exactly? We'll have to go back to where.
You can go down that way.
That's
parking
not
lot.
the road. I
That's the
know.
parking lot.
Yes, but there's no road go out
Oh.
because that's covered by snow.
Okay,
Yeah.
go all the way back.
You want to go to the end and
Yeah.
just take a peek, right?
Yeah.
You go ahead, Nietzsche. I'm okay. Don't worry about it. I'm following your steps. No! Ah! That's snow. Okay, where's our fishing spot?
Okay.
Yeah, right. Okay,
So somebody came here.
let's go. Yeah,
something.
fishing. I'm still going. Yeah, slow. Oh, this is not easy by myself. We're here! Yay!
People were still fishing. Look.
How?
Somebody walked down
How
there.
can you tell? Oh yeah,
Yeah, they're still fishing.
not this side. Oh, someone cut it. You see that?
Oh yeah.
Clean it, but yeah. Ooh.
Very nice. Oh, see the fish? Just
You sure
yeah,
it's a fish?
tiny little fish You can see the ring.
Yeah. There.
Oh yeah.
The duck.
Yeah.
Goose.